man. So it is a new day. So one of the things that we want to do, y'all know, we got the detail shop, you know what I'm saying, up and going. So what we need to do is go ahead and bring this equipment up here, man. So we got 2 fast half in the cut. We about to shoot up here, go up to where we going, Harbor Freight? Go up to Harbor Freight, go grab these pieces, man. So y'all know what time it is. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and y'all stay right there. All right, man, we back from the store, and we got a couple of the things we wanted to grab. You feel me? Had to come up on this steam cleaner, and then, you know, that good foam cannon, man, because, you know, we got the detail spot coming, and we working on a couple things. And this is the new draining system we working on, because we don't got a proper draining system just yet. We still got work on all that, but everything come when you need to, man, you know what I'm saying? So we working on that, and I guess what we gonna do is we gonna mess with this, what in the hell? What is that? Oh, no. What the, I don't know what that is. That's gotta come up off of there ASAP. Been a couple days, started the year. All right, man, so now that we got everything on the inside, well, not everything, but we got the engine bay, you know what I'm saying? We tested out the steamer, so now, next thing we wanna go ahead and do, we gonna test out this foam cannon, man. So this is from, what is it? Griot's. No sponsorship, you feel me? No sponsorship. But we gonna try this out, man, see what this is talking about. So we got the soap and everything we need, same company for the foam cannon. So y'all see how dirty Serena is right now, man. Y'all know we was on that 4-hour road trip, man, catching big boy dirt. But we gonna get her back where she need to be, you feel me? So we gonna test this out and see what it's talking about. Take 2. And this why you gotta clean your wheels. Look at all that. Disgusting. Disrespectful. Get up off of my wheels. Yes, y'all see that shine on there, man. Foam cannon definitely did what it needed to. You seeing all that black stuff in the water, all that dirt and grime coming up off the wheels. Good purchase, man. I'm liking this. So we gonna see what this steaming cleaner can do. You feel me? Now that all the dirt and grime done got knocked up off of there. Ooh, it's looking good though. Y'all know that backside. Hold on, hit the yes sir. Ooh. Man, I don't care what nobody say. These the hardest tail lights out right now. I don't care what nobody say. And it's not even cause it's mine. It's just them wet. It ain't nothing like that on the road, my boy. Look, you see that reflection? Yes sir. Yes sir. Wet. All right, man. So it is early in the morning, and if you follow me on Instagram, you probably already got a little preview of what we about to get into, man. We got the whip all cleaned up. It's looking good, but one of the things, I'm not sure if a lot of y'all be watching the news and stuff like that. Just one of the things they've been talking about is kind of putting a ban on guns. Not ban, but certain guns, you know what I'm saying, they talking about getting rid of. So we want to go ahead and get ahead of the curve, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and get a couple little things that I need, you know what I mean, before things do what they need to do. So we about to shoot over here to my TT spot. We gonna link up with the family, and then we about to shoot out here to the burbs somewhere, man. I don't know where we going. I think it's somewhere out in the country. I don't know where it is, but y'all stay right there, man. We out.
Road trip. We out here in the sticks, bro.
So we done made it, man. I know y'all probably wondering where we at. We out here in Ripley, Ohio with the fam bam, you know what I'm saying? About to get these sticks, you feel me? It was a nice little drive. I know y'all seen that on the way in. But go to gun stuff. Bump. Got him. Big purchase.
Big purchase.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
put it showing.
Oh yeah, yeah. Leaving with them sticks. Yeah, hopping in them Mopars. You know what I'm saying? Don't worry about what's in the bag. It's undisclosed. Undisclosed. Tell them,
Mission accomplished.
Unc, what we tell them? Undisclosed. Yeah. Can't even see the license plate. Still undisclosed. What the bag say? Undisclosed. Big. Huh? Oh yeah, we got the footage. He said we could do it. Shoot, that's what you want to see. Whole family pull up. The whole family coming out here getting sticked up. You know what I'm saying? We getting ready. Mission complete. Yes, sir. Hit the rock, don't smoke it. Y'all know. This what you do. You make moves with your family, my man. That's how you do it. Tell them, TT.
That's how we do it.
That's how we do. That's how we do. Yes, ma'am. What time is it? It's still early. See, we got the whole day. It's 9 o'clock. We done already got sticked up. We got some heat too. Y'all gonna have to wait till we get back to the city for that, man. So once we get back to the city, I'm gonna show y'all what we grabbed on our little haul, man. Hit a little road trip. Came up here. I ain't even gonna tell y'all where we went. Just know we got that bag. Yeah, we came back with that heat, man. And I ain't getting no new gun or nothing. I already got my gun, but a couple little things. Cuz came up on a new AR. I done got him some heat too.
He gonna get more footage when we out, when they out and shit. You alright?
All right, man, so we about to put out the 50th episode. And in celebration, I'm going to give away a cash prize. All you got to do, send in $1 to the Cash App, and then you send in a comment with the Cash App saying what your subscription is. You feel me? Your name. So, go.